This one seems to be stretched a little too long by me, because here, it's all right in the middle. Then pink. It's almost in the middle. Then this word was pulled to the front by me. It should be said that the tail can be sewn again. A little below. It doesn't matter if it's in the front. Does not affect. But this would require 2 extra stitches. Just to sew to the front. Come out wherever you go in. That way you won't see the seam. Traces. Take a look here. Almost finished. If we don't drop him. Actually, almost. Basically, in a semicircle and a semicircle. So, 1 stitch in the middle of each semicircle. Okay, let's make this thread the same as before. Hide it. Wear it in and wear it to the back. Come pick the real thing. Put it on again. It's okay if you want to hide it again. Cut it off if you look at me. Take a look. Is it right in the middle of the tail? Okay, let's sew. Let's pinch this eye first. For the eyes, it is 6 millimeters. 6 millimeters too. Then, I wrote eyes on the illustration. Between 8-9. Between lines 8-9. Well, if it's hot melt glue, use a lighter. What if it's alcohol glue? We'll just dip a needle in some alcohol glue. And put it on the eye. He will draw. Then let's turn the needle. 12,345,678. This is the location. Left and right sides. Good. Probably. Probably in this position and at this moment. Seems a bit to outside. Alcohol glue will dry slow. And what about hot glue? It's just that if you put it on, it might dry up. So be sure to control your position. Then read it. And because the eyes are smaller, so pay attention. Glue don't stick to the outside. Well, probably in the eyes. This should be the 9th line, because it is between 8 and 9 lines. This should be line 9. Then we are in. So this below here on the 9th row. the best, and then we take it is the single strand line that we split out. Take out one by one. If we have one, we will. Not a little more. Go through from behind. Eat this one. If you pull it in, he will come out. Then let's not pull too tight. Just put this thread in. It's too small compared to this, so let's put it here. Well, we are in the following line. Exist. Try this stitch here to see if the back is too short. There is a stitch here. Then come over here for a stitch. Then wear it back. Wear to the top row. Because there are a triangle, a small tooth should say, triangle like this. Wear it from somewhere else. Let's see the mouth. Look at this mouth. It seems a bit up. Almost. Almost. Good. Then we take this thread. Hiding his body. Cut off. Locked in. All right, and then finally we'll sew this hand. Isn't the hand the thread we keep on both ends? Then we only need 2 wires. Sewn in and fixed. That hand is sewn. But the hand needs to find a suitable position. One time. 123 this position. Lower left and right lower eyes. The words in the middle are 1 stitch apart. Is left and right? After the 2 threads go in, there is a spacer. 1 stitch. 1 or 2 stitches are fine. I am one of those who are separated by a stitch. Then look for yourself to see his specific width. Then it will be decided whether he takes 1 stitch or 2 stitches. From our side, just go straight, just a long thread. Because it is the same colour as the main body, we just follow. As much as possible we are still. Just don't be in the front. Hide the thread on the side or back. If the thread is long enough, Then you hide more and more. Where more? In case. Good. Shear. And then the other side. And then paste it like this here. The other hand is on the left. US. Vision, our side looks to the left. For the little dinosaur, he is on the right. Bottom left over here. If that's the place, it's just a little bit to find. Almost. Take a look here and wear it in. Straighten. Okay, let's wipe this thread. It's so simple. Just a little lipstick. Then, take out our cane. This cane is more convenient. Just tick it off. Tick it, let's not hook it on him. We try our best to tick on the body of the baby dinosaur. It will be older. Because of this several times, we have to sew. Probably 4 or 5 stitches on it. The subject is the whole, that must be the subject. Face is stronger.